My humble regards to great Mughal Emperor Akbar. My esteemed pranams. My name is Abdul Qadir. I am a very common citizen living in your vast empire. My hard-earned money, which I had saved all these years, had been totally robbed by a person. Only you can do justice for me, Your Majesty.
Dear Qadir, first explain your problem clearly so that I can understand.
Your Majesty, last year, my wife and myself went on a holy pilgrimage to Mecca. As I don't have any successors, I kept all my treasures in a small box and I gave it to my friend Muhammad Nazir and I left. Last month, we both returned from our pilgrimage, Majesty. Even after asking several times, Muhammad Nazir never gave me that box. Not only that, he also claims that I haven't given him any box. Now what to do?
This is not fair. Don't worry, Qadir. Don't worry. Your hard-earned money will not leave you. Relax. Your problems will be solved very soon. Guards,
Assalamu alaikum, Huzur.
when the court is assembled tomorrow, Nazir has to be here. It's an order from me.
All right, Huzur.
Thank you, my Majesty. Thanks a lot.
The King of Islams, the Emperor of Mughal Kingdom, Akbar the Great, Shahin Shah King Akbar, the great ruler Akbar, enters.
Birbal, inquire into this case and derive at a just decision.
Yes, Your Majesty. Mr. Abdul Qadir, can you exactly tell me on which date you handed over the box to him?
Last year, in the month of Shaban, 10th day.
Do you have any proof for that?
No, Huzur. When I was on my way to Muhammad Nazir's house, I met him in a beautiful garden. There, I gave him the box, Huzur. As it was afternoon, no one was there, Huzur.
You were telling that it was a garden. Was there any tree in that garden?
Yes, Huzur. There was a tall jack tree. We were talking right under it, Huzur.
There, this is a proof, you see. Immediately you go bring the jog tree, telling that, I want to see it. Will you do that?
Huzur, how can a jack tree speak for me?
To reveal the truth, not only a tree, but also the earth will speak for you. Have courage and live. You will definitely get back your thing. It is my word.
As you say, Huzur.
It's been 1 hour since Qadir has left. Still he hasn't returned.
Your Majesty, the garden is on the border of our kingdom. He couldn't have gone even half the way.
Oh, is that so? Okay, all right.
Huzur, I told the tree whatever you asked me to do, but it did not give me any answer, Huzur. The only proof I had is now dumb, Huzur. Huzur, what more can I do?
Don't worry. Even before you have reached, the tree has come and spoke and revealed the truth. Nazir, don't try to hide the truth anymore. Accept your crime.
No, I'm innocent. This old man never gave me any box. He's blaming me without any proof, Huzur.
So you mean to say that you didn't meet him under the tree?
No.
You didn't even talk to him?
No.
Didn't he give you any box on that day?
No.
Then how did you know that the tree was on the border of our empire?
Actually, I don't know.
What? You'll still not accept your crime? There is a saying that you should not show interest on others' things. Have you forgotten that? Answer me. Are you not ashamed of yourself because of showing interest on others' things? Return his box immediately to him, or else you will be punished very severely.
I became very greedy and behaved in this way. I will immediately return the box to him today itself. I was very much worried about my box and my hard-earned money inside it. By God's grace, I got it back with your help. Thanks a lot, Huzur. Thanks a lot.
Aha! How clever you are! What a clear inquiry! And what a clear-cut judgment. I appreciate your intelligence, Birbal.
Birbal, our country's cleverest. Long live. Birbal who brought the truth to light. Long live. Birbal who made the tree also to speak. Long live.
Come on, little bunnies. Give thumbs up for the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos.